saw the one of the workers at work. He went back to
Do you remember where I told you? Sonora, Texas. Sonora, it's up I-10. Do you think if we were to silicone it instead of